Hi, everybody. This is Deborah Morris with Deborah Morris Home Team, Keller Williams Advantage Realty. I have the honor of having another one of my seminal chamber members, Susan Joseph, with Legal Shield and ID Shield. Now it has a new name. But anyway, I wanted her to share something that she comes across nowadays that she feels you need to know about. So Susan, take it away.
Well, hey guys, it's crazy, but I like our CEO says all the time, law happens. It happens to people every single day. And most people think I can't afford a lawyer. I'm just going to Google it. Guess what? Google didn't go to law school. You're not going to get the most up-to-date, most important information. And sometimes your situation is very specific. So I'm with a company called Legal Shield. Our parent company is PPLSI. How about that? And we do two things that are very important to people. They're essential services. We provide people with affordable access to the legal system. Deborah's been a customer of ours, not mine personally, but customer of our company for many years. And what that does is give you the ability to pick up the phone, and we put a law firm in the palm of your hands through an app where you can actually call and say, what are my rights in any situation? These are all letters that my law firm has written for me. This one is on a dispute for a company that wanted to didn't want to give us our money back. This one is for a debt collection from my husband's company. This one is for a traffic ticket, and it's not me, but I have 3 teenage drivers in my house and a husband who drives like a teenager. There's one, there's two, there's three, there's a whole bunch of them about traffic tickets. Here's the key to that. We all happen. I mean, it happens to all of us at some point in time, right? But if you didn't get points on your license, that means your auto insurance won't go up. That's an everyday event. If your auto insurance goes up because you get a traffic violation, that means you're paying higher rates for the next 3 to 5 years, depending on your insurance company. That's the reason I bought this service the first time I saw it, because I had 3 teenage drivers, that husband who drives like a teenager, and my auto insurance premiums were crazy. And they said, we'll have an attorney represent you. We cover people anywhere in the US. So with kids going to college in different states, it meant that I would have some peace of mind because we were empowered with this protection through Legal Shield. And it has probably saved me tens of thousands of dollars in auto insurance premium. The other reason that I bought the service the first day I saw it was because I needed to get my estate planning done. I needed a will. And nowadays, I hope nobody needs a will, but unfortunately, we're all going to need one at some point. But we need a healthcare power of attorney. We need a living will, because even if you just go into a hospital, forget COVID, you broke your ankle, right? You sprained your ankle, right? You don't even know what's going on, right? Your shoulder hurts. The first thing they're going to ask you is, do you have a living will or a healthcare power of attorney? Because that tells them that someone else is designated in case you can't speak for yourself. And we provide that through our company as part of our service. It's not an extra fee. And I needed those services. And just to err on the side of making sure you're aware how important ID Shield is, I had been a victim, and this was 18 years ago when nobody knew what identity theft was, but I've been a victim of identity theft, and it had messed with our bank accounts. It had messed with our Social Security account. We were in a panic about how to fix that. Thank goodness for this company, because they were able to not only give us a licensed private investigator to help us figure out what happened, but also to fix the problem. And that's why companies like US News and World Report, Forbes, Yahoo Finance keep giving us awards as the best resource for people. So if you are concerned at all about identity theft protection, whether or not your information is safe, whether or not you know how to set up your privacy settings on all your devices, we do that. And we help you do that. For less than $1 a day, covers your whole family. And if you need help with anything legal, both personal and or business, we have programs for business owners, or if you'd like to bless your employees with legal services, you can reach me at 407-491-3411. Or you can go through my website, and that's just my name. It's easy enough. It's Susan C, as in cat, SusanCJoseph.com. It's a service that's been around for 50 years. It's an award-winning company, and it's a pleasure to meet people who understand the value and are willing to share it with other people. So thank you so much, Deborah.
Oh, you're welcome. Well, I know that all in the past, I just would go off thinking, well, it's going to cost at least $2,000 to $3,000 just to talk to a lawyer. That's what my thought originally was. And so whenever we came across and they said, hey, when's the last time you did an updated will? I'm like, okay, there's that mind in my subconscious I need to have before I actually do anything. And so when I first heard about Legal Shield, I'm like, okay, there gives me an opportunity. So if those ideas piqued your curiosity, reach out to Susan and she'll be very happy to guide you in the right direction. And of course, Chuck and I are always here for you. Any other questions at 321-348-0014. Thank you, Susan, so much for that information. And we'll get together with you in the future for some updates, okay?
Thank you.
All right, bye.
Bye.